Good morning to all of you. Now, today we are going to start the explanation of ninth chapter, second part. Already we started this one. Reason for the outbreak of the revolt of 1857 CE. So many reasons were there: social and religious reason, economic reasons, political reason. Now, today I am going to start from military reason. The number of British officers and soldiers was very less in a vast country like India. The ratio of the Indian soldier to the British soldier was approximately 6:1 in the military. The higher posts in the military were reserved for the British. The opportunity of promotion was very limited for the Indian soldier. There was a big difference between the salary of an Indian soldier and a British soldier. Here telling those days, though the population was very less at that time, and Britishers officers and soldier was very less in this vast area. So many they were what they were doing. So they started to appoint Indian people also in various posts in a soldier post, and the ratio of the but the ratio of the British and Indian soldier between 6:1. What is the meaning of this कि हर 6 ब्रिटिशर्स के पीछे एक इंडियन रहता था. The higher post in the military were reserved for the British, but whoever Indian people were working under them, they were not getting higher post. The opportunity of promotion was very limited for the Indian soldier. At the top post of the soldier, they were not appointed Indian soldiers. There was a big difference between the salary. उनके सैलरी में भी बहुत ही डिफरेंस रहता था. These are the things that arose dissatisfaction among the soldier of India whoever working under them. Now next page, the Indian foot soldiers receive 7 rupees while the British soldier receive 150 rupees per month. You can see here the difference where 7 rupees and 150 rupees were. Very less money they were giving and taking hard work from the soldier. The British soldier considered the Indian soldier to be low and insignificant. As per the religious restriction, the Indian soldiers were not allowed to cross the sea, or else the person would be treated as an outcast. What is telling? The British soldier considered the Indian, means they were thinking Indian soldier very low grade people. They have no manner like that. And not only this, prevail dissatisfaction among the soldier of India, but at that time in India it was religious belief that people were believing कि if they will cross any ocean, it will be great sin, and they will be the people of the religious और धर्म के लोग सब लोग उनको आउट ऑफ कास्ट कर देंगे, उनको बाहर फेंक देंगे, लाइक दैट. डिस्पाइट दिस कस्टम, the Indian soldiers were compelled to cross the sea in order to fight battle for the British. What is telling ki it is our they were thinking they are religious what thought like that concept were there, but despite this custom, इस custom के बावजूद इंडियन सोल्जर को फोर्सफुली कॉम्पेल मीन्स फोर्सफुली जोर से उनको बाहर के फाइट करने के लिए बाहर भेजा जाता था. Thus, like other Indians, the soldier too felt that their religion was at stake. कह रहे हैं इस तरह उनके सोल्जर्स को तब को लगता था कि उनका धर्म को खतरा है. The soldier, being a part of the Indian society, shared the same sentiment of grief, suspicious and anger as other did. कह रहे इस तरह सोल्जर के बीच में भी, इंडियन सोल्जर के बीच में भी डिससेटिस्फैक्शन प्रिवेल हो गया। ग्रीफ मीन्स दुख, उन लोग भी दुखी थे उस टाइम में, उन लोग को ब्रिटिश की एक्टिविटी में डाउट रहता था, और दैट्स वाई अ लॉट ऑफ एंगर प्रिवेल इन देयर हार्ट। नाउ द नेक्स्ट रीज़न, द इमीडिएट रीज़न। There were various reasons for the rising anger and discontentment among the people towards the British rule. Discontent means dissatisfaction, we can say. At that time, due to a lot of various reason you read, and the people was full of anger and dissatisfaction. In January 1857, a new rifle, Enfield rifle, was introduced in the Indian Army. Enfield rifle means pistol, that is introduced in the Indian Army in 1857. The cartridge of this rifle, cartridge means उसमें जो गोली लगता था, the cartridge of this rifle had to be bitten off before being used. और जब भी उस कि पिस्टल को यूज़ करना होता था, उसमें गोली को भरने से पहले कार्ट्रिज में एक सील लगा रहता था, उसको पहले मुंह से सील को तोड़ना पड़ता था, कट करके फिर उन लोग उसको यूज़ करते थे। दिस कार्ट्रिज वॉज ग्रीस्ड विथ ए फैट ऑफ काऊ एंड पिग। और उन लोग जो सील, उस गोली के ऊपर एक सील लगा रहता था, कवर, उसमें ये था कि उन लोग जो ग्रीस मीन्स ऑयली टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंस, वो काऊ और पिग के बॉडी से या स्किन से उन लोग एक्सट्रैक्ट करके लगाते थे। फॉर द हिंदू द बीफ एंड द मुस्लिम द पॉर्क वॉज प्रोहिबिटेड बाय देयर रिलीजन। और इन आवर हिंदू कल्चर, यू नो, काऊ बफेलो we are to worshipping, to cow especially we are worshipping, and we are not taking anything of it, non-veg, and Muslim also hating pig also. So those, for the both community people, it was very disagreeable work. Hence they felt that the British were deliberately trying to desanctify their religion. इसलिए तब के टाइम में सोल्जर को ये लगने लगा कि ब्रिटिश लोग डिलिबरेटली मीन्स फोर्सफुली उन लोग चाहते हैं कि उनके रिलीजन को तोड़ा जाए। द रेस्पॉन्स और टू देयर कंप्लेंट्स इन द सेम रिगार्ड वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री। तो सोल्जर ने ये कंप्लेन किया, पर उन लोगों को कोई सुना नहीं, उनकी बातों को कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया। Hence, the 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of cartridge. फिर इस तरह तब के टाइम में सोल्जर, अभी भी सोल्जर हैं जो 26 रिपब्लिक डे में दे आर मार्च पास्ट ऑन दिस मार्च पास्टिंग ऑन इंडिया गेट नियर लाइक दैट। तो यू मे बी हर्ड दिस बटालियन, दैट बटालियन मीन्स ट्रूप ऑफ सोल्जर्स। तो उन लोग को बैटेलियन कहा जाता था, उनके एक एक नाम होते थे एक एक ग्रुप के। तो 19 बैटेलियन ऑफ बरकपुर के जो 19 नंबर का ग्रुप ऑफ सोल्जर था, उन लोग ने कार्ट्रिज यूज़ करने से मना कर दिया। एज अ रिजल्ट द एंटायर बैटेलियन वॉज डिसबैंडेड। इसलिए उनके पूरे बैटेलियन को उन लोग ने सस्पेंड टाइप का कर दिया। So these are the main reason. Now see, planning of the revolt and Mangal Pandey. It was Mangal Pandey means he only the first person who started refusing all these things. It was planned to begin the revolt across the nation against the East India Company on 31st May 1857. So when a lot of people, all sector of Indian people were dissatisfied, they started agitation. They wanted to do something against the Britishers. So they had planned to attack on the British on 31st May 1857 against the East India Company's activity. Means all the freedom fighters, they make the troops, some have weapons, and like that they wanted to attack on the East India Company. Leaders like Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kanwar Singh and Nawab of Awadh had joined hands with Tatya Tope, and an efficient military commander Rango Bapuji, an accomplished planner, and Azimullah Khan, a lawyer and a journalist, to lead the revolt. Here the names are given कि some whatever the peoples were there, great peoples had joined hand to revolt against the East India Company. Some were writers, some were journalists, some were lawyers, some made the plan like that. Then what they were done, lotus and roti were the symbol to join the revolt for the civilians and the soldiers respectively. और किसी भी इंडियन को अगर उनके ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करना है तो वो एक सिंबल जो उन लोग ने डाला था लोटस और रोटी कि ये सिंबल दिखाने से द पीपल कैन अदर पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि दे वांटेड टू ज्वाइन दिस ग्रुप. These symbols were circulated across the nation. Circulated means पूरे नेशन में ये सिंबल फैला दिया गया. Bards, Hindu, Muslim priest, Aulias and messenger played their part in spreading the word about the revolt. और इस तरह से तब के टाइम में ओपनली तो उन लोग ने शुरू नहीं किया था, इसलिए ये सब काम छुप छुप के हिंदू मुस्लिम प्रिस्ट माने पुजारी, औलियास मीन जो मस्जिदों में मौलवी रहते वो, उन लोग ने धीरे धीरे ये सारे इस ग्रुप के पूरे जासूस बन के सारे चीज़ों को लोगों तक स्प्रेड किया, सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन. मंगल पांडे अपोज द यूज़ ऑफ द कार्ट्रिज ग्रीस विद द फैट ऑफ काउज एंड पिग्स. तब मंगल पांडे ने सबसे पहले अपोज किया. अपोज मीन डिनाई किया कि ही विल नॉट यूज़ दिस ग्रीस cartridge which with the fat of cows and pigs. As a result, the revolt began earlier than the fixed date. When God once any time might be came that time in front of Mangal Pandey to use this Enfield rifle, so he denied suddenly, and when he denied, so they started against him some charges. So in this way, all of sudden, before the date of 31st May, the revolt started and it disturbed the planning and the objectives of the revolt could not be achieved. और इसलिए अपने टाइम से पहले ही रिवोल्ट अचानक शुरू हो गया, जिसकी वजह से इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट द इंडियन पीपल फ्रीडम फाइटर्स वर नॉट सक्सेसफुल टू विन दिस रिवोल्ट. Then what happened? Mangal Pandey was now about Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was born in a Brahmin couple in Nagwa village of Uttar Pradesh. Underline, he joined the British Army as a soldier at 7 rupees as his salary. The Indian soldier who had agreed to revolt wanted to wait till 31st May. मीन जो भी अंग्रेज़ों के विरुद्ध उनको जो वॉर करना था, उन विद्रोह करना था, वो 31st मई तक उनको वेट करना था. वेयर एज 26 years ओल्ड मंगल पांडे कुड नॉट वेट टिल देन. पर ये मंगल पांडे तब यंग एकदम फोर्स सो मेनी एनर्जेटिक, तो ऑल ऑफ he cannot wait for 31st May because they forced them to use the Enfield rifle, and he started a revolt against the Britisher. Whereas 26 years old Mangal Pandey could not wait till then, he refused to follow the order of using the Enfield rifle and challenged the British officer. Sergeant Major Hawson ordered to arrest him, but Mangal Pandey shot him. इस तरह उस टाइम में जब मंगल पांडे ने डिनाई किया तो उनके जो बॉस थे सर्जेंट मेजर हॉसन, ही ऑर्डर्ड हिम टू अरेस्ट, बट मंगल पांडे व्हाट ही डिड, ही शॉट ऑन हिम ही ओनली, एंड इन दिस वे द रिवोल्ट स्टार्टेड अर्लियर एंड वुड नॉट गेट सक्सेस. ओके, so here I am ending today. Next part remain about the Mangal Pandey. I will send you the in next video because in together I can't, it can be create problem to upload. Okay, thank you, bye.